Before this update, you build your skills blindly, but now it's time to stop guessing, because Anthropic revealed a way to build and maintain skills. In this video, I'll show you exactly what changed, and also stay until the end because I want to reveal some important caveats building skills. So if you're ready, let's get started. There we go. Just a quick recap for folks who are new here. What is a skill? A skill is just a markdown file. It basically extends what Claude can do, and you define in that markdown some instructions. So the expectation that whenever Claude picks that skill, it follows instructions. Hope that makes sense. So moving forward to the main topic, right? Improving skill creator, test, measure, and refine agent skills. So what actually changed? If you don't know, skill creator is a skill to generate skills, but now it has additional capabilities to actually test them. So it runs evals, runs benchmarks, and possibly writes ideal skills. But let's skip that discussion to the end. Let's break down what evals and benchmarks mean. So the eval is basically evaluation. You provide a prompt and expected result, and Claude picks that up and runs model with skills as against it and without skill against it. And it logically leads us to the next point of benchmarks. It's just a test result where you see your pass rate, your tokens consumption. Let's quickly discuss actual problems it solves. Imagine that you defined skill and you have a good feeling that model with the skill outperforms right now. But we also understand that models evolve and Anthropic makes release here. So what you need to do, you need to evaluate whether the new model does the job with skill better than without skill. But if you imagine that you have 100 skills, it is maintenance problem, right? It's exactly what Anthropic solved for us. So use skill creator to avoid that. But let's go to live demo and test it out. Let's get to VS Code. If I run /plugins, I can see that skill creator installed for me. For you, it may be not. So what you can do, you can find it under Claude Plugins Official. Just add it and you will get skill creator. So let me go back and actually run skill creator. It says, I can help you create a new skill, improve an existing skill, optimize the skill description. So what I wanted to do, actually, I do have a skill called YouTube transcriber. And what I want to do, I want to ask skill creator to evaluate that skill. So let's do that. Can you evaluate the existing skill? I'm interested in YouTube transcriber. That is located under Claude Code Skills .Claude Skills YouTube transcriber. So let's see what happens here. It is going to create YouTube transcriber workspace and do one iteration. So basically just a brief overview what my YouTube transcriber does. You provide a link on YouTube video and it just returns the full transcription of the video. I would assume that this skill creator tests that flow with just with a pure model and with models that use a skill. We do, as we can see here, without skill and with skill. This is exactly what I want. Now let me write the eval metadata files and spawn all 6 runs simultaneously. Sounds great. Eval name, plain transcript note and timestamps. So basically, as we discussed previously, the prompt and some tests. Let's do that. Eval AD1, eval AD2 is running everything in parallel. Thank you so much for saving my time. So benchmark data is coming, which is great. All right, so this is exactly what I wanted to show you. We have a result with skill and after that, we are going to have result without skill. So with skill, Claude was able to transcribe a video, and I will not kind of read it through, but I trust that it's a really good and sufficient. Let's do what happened without skill. So without skill, it kind of surprised me because it also kind of makes a job here. So it's interesting. I really interested to see the benchmark result here because it's kind of something that I did not expect. Can you transcribe this YouTube video? So yeah, my skill can also transcribe videos with timestamps. What Claude did without skill. Okay, like it's kind of fun. But yeah, like why not? But yeah, obviously I like that previous variant a bit more. And transcribe this video. So there's third video. All right, let's submit results. Review complete. By the way, you can provide your feedback about any issues, etc. But I just want to submit. I'm kind of interested in benchmarks. So the pass rate is with skill is 100% and without skill is 81%. The pass rate of those test cases that we defined. But yeah, I think Claude did a great job without skill. I'm really impressed. Because with skill I use transcribe API that just returns the expected result, but here like I'm really impressed. So yeah, obviously we can see that the result with skill is a bit better, not so much, but a bit better. So also we see breakdown by evaluations here. I don't understand why it haven't provided us with tokens, because it would be interesting to see. But anyway, here basically the idea: you run skill creator, you can obviously generate skills, but in my case I just wanted to compare like my existing skill and test it, and you get results. Finally, we reached our conclusion. So what I would say, skill creator is really great tool. It helps us to maintain skills, to generate skills. It saves a lot of time. But what I would encourage you and caveat to not completely rely and blindly just follow what Claude generates for you. I do have a very good link on Claude website where they explain you to how to build efficient skills, how to manage them, how to create workflows, how to keep your context concise, how to control the level of freedom. A lot of good advice is there, and with that knowledge you can verify what Claude generates for you and achieve ideal skills. And I believe you can do that. If you like this video, just let me know. Drop your comments. Maybe you got different experience with skills. Maybe you had tried skill generator and got another result. I would be keen to respond to everybody. And yeah, of course, let's continue building with AI, and see you in the next one.